When it comes to upscale meeting destinations, there are plenty of options in the sea. But very few are right on it. Bring your next meeting to the magnificent Cavalier Resort on the ocean in Virginia Beach. 50 unique seaside meeting venues, 3 beachside ballrooms, and over 70,000 square feet of flexible, high-tech meeting and event space to stay productive and comfortable. And when the business day is done, there's no place like the Cavalier Resort to keep your guests networking, relaxed, engaged, and entertained, with a wide range of fine amenities, experiences, and recreation, from our private beach club and spirited tasting tours at our in-house distillery to a luxury spa, seaside yoga, and complimentary beach cruisers. With 3 hotels, 547 luxury rooms and suites, and 9 celebrated restaurants, the possibilities here aren't just endless, they're beautiful. Contact a Cavalier meeting specialist today and see how inspiring a seaside meeting at the Cavalier Resort can be.